Next is closed loop control system. What is a closed loop control system? You have an input R of S, then as we told we should have a controller, and we will get some output. Okay, this output again I am going to check with the input how with the help of a feedback circuit I am going to send it here. Now this will act as an error comparator. Okay, the part of output is now fed back through a feedback circuit, and then it will go here. This is an error detector or an error comparator. It is called as an error detector or an error comparator, and then again it will be passed through the control system. This type of control system is called as closed loop control system. Here the system is complex because we have a feedback circuit. Next, it is little bit costlier because we have a feedback circuit, but the output is accurate. Whereas in case of open loop system, the output was inaccurate. Okay. When we talk about a closed loop control system, the important concept is feedback. Important concept is feedback. The feedback is of two types. One is positive feedback and the other one is negative feedback. When I say positive feedback, see, for the control system, I will be giving a positive sign. It shows it is positive feedback. When it is a positive feedback, now I have to find the transfer function. What is a transfer function? It is a ratio of output by input. What is output here? It is C of S. Input is R of S. Okay. Now let's see with respect to positive feedback what is the transfer function. Okay. It is C of S by R of S and it is positive feedback. So I have given the feedback as positive here. Okay. The positive feedback is there. At C of S what I have, this is my output. This is my C of S. Okay. Now at C of S what I have, this is, I will call it as G and this I will call it as H. G is the gain of the system and H will indicate the feedback of the system. So I will call at C of S I have G. So I will write it as G divided by 1. When it is positive feedback, I should write it as minus here. Then at the output I have this G also is coming along with H. Now they are in series, so they have to be multiplied. It will be G into H. So the transfer function will be equal, for a positive feedback it will be equal to G divided by 1 minus G.